At Millenium Marbles, we believe every space deserves something special. Since the year 2000, we've been bringing imported natural stones to homes and projects from around the world. With over 500 stones from 25 countries and over 40,000 happy customers, we are proud of the trust people place in us. For us, it's not just about selling marble, it's about helping people create something timeless. We'd love for you to visit our Shoolagiri factory and experience the world of Millenium Marbles for yourself.